Hello, Ndewo. Today we're going to be learning about casual greetings in Igbo, how to show politeness, and basic immediate family vocabulary. Ngwa kaibido. Ndewo. Ndewo in Igbo means hello or hi. So you can say Ndewo, Ndewo name, Ndewo nam. Ndewo is a general greeting in Igbo. You can tell anyone Ndewo. Ndewo name. Name means my mother. When you want to ask somebody, how are you in Igbo? How are you? You can say kedu or kedu kimeru or kedu kimelo, depending on the dialect. So you can say kedu, how are you? Kedu kimere, how do you do? Kedu kimelo, how do you do? Then the other person can respond odimma, it's fine, or adimma, I am fine. To inquire about someone's name in Igbo, you can ask kedu ahagi, what is your name? Or kedu afagi, kedu afagi. You can as well ask ginibo ahagi. They all means what is your name? Then you respond ahambo, my name is. Afambo, my name is. Anapom, I am called. Right? So you can use any of them. Language is an art. What matters is effective communication. Ngwa kedu ahagi. When you are extending a gift to someone in Igbo, you say welo or were. Welo and were means take. Okay? If you want to say thank you, you say imela. Imela means thank you. It can also connote well done. Or dalo. Dalo means thank you. You can also say dalurine. Dalurine means thank you very much. Ngwa welu. When you're bidding someone farewell in Igbo, you can say kaodi. Kaodi means okay then, or just simply alright. Or kemecha. Kemecha means see you later. You can as well use Jane Koma. Jane Koma means go well, but they all connote goodbye. Okay, they all connote bye. So you can use any of them. Ngwa Jane Koma. Nor in Igbo means welcome. So when someone visits you or return from somewhere, you can say nor, nor, nor. To pacify a child in Igbo, maybe a child is crying and you want to say sorry, you say ndo, ndo. You can as well say ebezina. Ebezina means stop crying. Ndo means sorry. You can also use ndo when you must have offended someone in Igbo, so you say ndo. Ndo also means sorry. To say father in Igbo, you say nna, nna. So my father becomes nnam, nnam. Mother becomes nne, nne. Mother is nne in Igbo, nne. My mother becomes nim, nim. Nwoke is a man or a boy. Nwanyi is a female as well, or a girl. Nwanyi, nwanyi. Nwa nwanyi, nwanyi. A girl child. Nwa nwanyi is a girl child. Nwa nwoke is a boy child. So nwoke is a male child or a man in Igbo.